trying to absorb everything that happened because it seems surreal to me. I had this image of just a giant explosion on the pad.
Currently scheduled for a Monday morning launch from the Kennedy Space Center, this will be the first SpaceX Falcon Heavy launch in 3 years.
So, it took SpaceX 3 years to launch the Falcon Heavy again. On the other hand, SpaceX have launched Falcon 9 hundreds of times. Have you ever thought why? In today's video, we'll find out why Falcon Heavy is not used often. First, let's compare Falcon Heavy and Falcon 9. And that will give us the answer to why Falcon 9 is used so often. Falcon 9 can take 50,265 pounds to low Earth orbit. On the other hand, Falcon Heavy can take 140,000 pounds to low Earth orbit. The cost of launching Falcon 9 is $67 million. And the cost of launching Falcon Heavy is $97 million.
I teach you to line up, ride up, fire, higher, rise up, king me, sire, try us, die us, sign up, time up, for us, buy us,
So the answer is clear. Falcon 9 can take less but also cost less to launch. And the answer to why Falcon 9 is used so much is that most of the company's satellites are not that heavy. So they don't need to use a heavyweight rocket. And that is why they use Falcon 9. SpaceX uses Falcon 9 to launch their Starlink satellites. They usually launch 60 at once, but when there is a small satellite that they could take with the Starlink, the number of Starlink are decreased because the small satellite takes place of the Starlink. Sometimes companies have bigger cargo that they want to send to the low Earth orbit, and that's when SpaceX uses a bigger rocket, the Falcon Heavy. But if SpaceX succeeds in the Starship program, they will probably use Starship to launch everything, because it costs only $2 million, because it's a fully reusable rocket. And that gives us the answer to why Falcon Heavy is used so less, because they don't need to use Falcon Heavy. Falcon 9 is enough to launch most of the satellites. Like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching.